All right, and we are back with the C10 Resto Mod. We have moved from our place down in Gilbert, Arizona, and we are now up in the mountains, my hometown. We have had quite the struggle getting all these things up here in pieces. I'll show you some pictures of that. But here's our new home, thanks to a friend of ours. And we're gonna be doing a lot of degreasing on this. We're gonna do a little bit of a trial to see what works better, oven cleaner or some of our traditional auto parts degreasers. So let's take a look and see what happens. All right, we've taken a moment to try to scrape off a bunch of stuff. There's probably still a lot that needs to be scraped, but the boys did a good job, did a great job. And now we're trying to see if it's gonna power wash off. I initially thought that maybe we would just try chemicals on there, but that's not gonna be the case. All right, so we got this can of heavy duty easy off that's like clean 3 times faster, deep clean in 3 minutes. So we're taking a look and this is how it turned out. The first time it turned out pretty good. This time it actually took it all the way down to the metal, which is awesome. Spray that area right there. All right, so that is now 2 passes. I've not done the experiment because what we realized is we actually had to do some scraping with our scrapers on this frame. So unfortunately, there was no really good way to experiment, but we did find that this other easy off was the best type. It was the 3 times faster, 3-minute stuff. Took everything off and it was actually taking off some of the paint, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you our second pass because we did 2 passes on this one. All right, so here it is. We got second pass. You'll notice it's a lot cleaner. Obviously, we're gonna have to hit this up with some wire wheels, a couple other things, but not bad. I didn't clean this off because we're gonna be taking this off anyway, but it really did a good job. We've got a lot more to do, some scraping and cleaning up, but after 2 passes, it did a good job. Look how clean that is.